Hey guys, it's Derrick here at 4 State Trucks, home of Chrome Shop Mafia. What I want to show you today is an OE style replacement for your 87 to 2007 Peterbilt 379 factory style elbow. Again, that's a 58-degree bend. We keep these here in multiple different brands. This one here is our Best Fit brand, which is our house brand. It comes with a 1-year warranty. So 4 State Trucks, you know, we keep these things in stock, and we got the low price guarantee, guys. Come check these things out and get one, get your truck back on the road. Thank you.
Hey guys, Todd with 4 State Trucks here. Just want to take a quick second to show you our Peterbilt step replacements. These carry a 2-year warranty. We have just the step replacements here. These are the old style grips, and then we have the full replacement. These are for whenever your rails are too damaged to replace just the step. These run along the whole bottom side of the box. You drill a couple holes and run some bolts in. These are built by the boys right here at 4 State Trucks in our fab shop. They're a great quality. They're made out of all aluminum, super lightweight, super strong, and a great quality. Now also along with the old grip style, we carry the new style grip. These are the same thing. We got just the step replacement or the full replacement. They carry still the 2-year warranty, still made out of full aluminum, and they're still built by the boys here at 4 State Trucks. The full replacements run around $110, and just the step replacements run around $90. Come on down to 4 State Trucks and check them out.
Hi guys, this is Colin over 4 State Trucks, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. Today I'm going to be talking about these fuel cap covers. They're going to be going on any Peterbilt tank that use the T-handle levers. These ones right here are going to be $284.99 for the pair. There's a couple of different custom options available. And just come on down to 4 State Trucks, get a hold of one of our salesmen, help us deck out your truck with these billet aluminum fuel cap covers.
Hey guys, Ben here at 4 State Trucks, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. I'm going to talk to you about some aluminum fenders we got here. We got some long drop full radius and half fenders in stock. They can be either vinyl wrapped or painted, or could be polished for a nice shiny finish. These are a universal fit. Should fit just about any truck based on what bracket you need to use. Give your truck a nice low look. Come on down to 4 State Trucks. One of us salesmen will be glad to get them picked out for you and get you set up.